Second example, in adjoint figure, if line M is parallel line N and P is transversal, then find X. Figure is here. Line M P 3x. ओके, फिगर एक्झाम्पल मध्ये काय सांगितलं आपल्याला, इफ लाइन M is parallel line N and P is their transversal, then find X. We know that addition of interior angle is, addition of two interior angle is 180 degree. Okay, therefore 3x plus x is equal to 180 degree. 3x plus x is equal to 4x is equal to 180 degree. X is equal to 180 divided by 4. 4 here left hand side is multiply, then shift the right hand side in divide. Therefore x is equal to 4 1s are 4, 4 4s are 16 and 4 5s are 20. It means x is equal to 45 degree. Okay, then second example, line A is parallel line B and L is its transversal, then find X. Here figure, here is figure, line A, line B, four x, 2x. Okay, we find X. Therefore 4x plus 2x is equal to 180 degree, 6x is equal to 180 degree and x is equal to 180 degree divided by 6. Therefore x is equal to 6 1s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 6 0s are 0. X is equal to 30 degree. Okay, then next example, in the adjoint figure, line P parallel line Q, line T and line S are transversal. Find measure of angle X and measure of angle y using the measure of angle given in figure. काय सांगितलं येते? लाइन P is parallel line Q. T and S are two transversal of P and Q. Find major angle of here given 40 degree X and here is 70 degree. ओके, फिगर मध्ये काय काय दिले आपल्याला? 40 डिग्री अँगल, 70 डिग्री अँगल, एक्स आणि वाय अँगल, हे चार अँगल दिलेले आहेत. P and Q parallel to each other and T and S are transversal of line P and Q. We find major angle of X. First, major angle of X आपल्याला काउंट करायचा आहे किंवा फाइंड करायचा आहे आणि मेजर अँगल ऑफ y पण आपल्याला काय करायचं आहे? फाइंड करायचं आहे. गिवन दॅट देन मेजर अँगल ऑफ x प्लस 40 इज इक्वल टू 180 डिग्री. व्हाय? बिकॉज अँगल ऑफ लिनियर और पेयर ऑफ लिनियर अँगल therefore measure of angle x is equal to 180 degree minus 40 degree. Measure of angle x is equal to 140 degree. Then second we find measure angle of y. Here is measure angle of y. Two related angle is 70 degree is equal to 180 degree. Here is also the reason is pair of linear angle. Measure angle of y is equal to 180 degree minus 70 degree. Then measure of angle y is equal to 110 degree. Okay. Then next example and last example of this chapter, or second last example of this point. In the adjoint figure, line A parallel line B, line L is a transversal find the measure of the measure angle of x, measure angle of y and measure angle of z, the given information. Here is diagram. Two parallel line A and B. Its transversal is L. Angle Z, angle X and angle Y. Okay, given that the value of, suppose this is angle small q, given major angle of q is equal to 105 degree. First we find major angle of x is also 105 degree. Reason is corresponding angle. Second, major angle of y is also 105 degree. Why? Because vertically opposite angle. Then we find major angle of z. We know that the value of major angle of y is 105 degree, that's equal to 180 degree. The reason is pair of linear angle or angle of linear pair. Therefore, major angle of z is equal to 180 minus 105. That's equal to major angle of z is 95 degree. Okay. Then next, last one example. Simple example आहे. डायग्राम काढायची आहे. काय सांगितलंय? फर्स्ट ड्रॉ अ लाईन यल. सपोज दिस इज लाईन यल. ओके. नेक्स्ट आपल्याला सांगितलं आहे टेक अ पॉइंट ए आउटसाइड देन लाईन आउटसाइड द लाईन यल. आता ही लाईन यल काढली. काय सांगितलंय आपल्याला? एक ए पॉइंट घ्या आउटसाइड द लाईन यल. सपोज हियर पॉइंट ए. थ्रू पॉइंट ए ड्रॉ अ लाईन पॅरलर टू यल. आता ह्या पॉइंट मधनं अशी लाईन काढायची जी पॅरलर टू काय आहे? यल आहे. ओके. अँड गिव्ह द नेम इज यम. देअरफॉर लाईन यल इज पॅरलर टू लाईन यम. ओके. दिस इज द सिंपल एक्झाम्पल. नेक्स्ट theorem, last one theorem, the alternate angles. Theorem statement, the alternate angle by a transversal of two parallel lines are of equal measure. Diagram. First, given line L is parallel line M and N is or line N is transversal. प्रूफ काय करायचं आहे आपल्याला? टू प्रूव्ह अँगल D इज इक्वल टू अँगल बी. काय सांगितलंय? द अल्टरनेट अँगल, हे काय झालेत दोन्ही? अल्टरनेट अँगल बाय अ ट्रान्सव्हर्सल ऑफ टू पॅरलर लाईन. म्हणजे या दोन पॅरलर लाईन आणि ट्रान्सव्हर्सल पासून तयार झालेले जे अल्टरनेट अँगल्स आहेत त्यांचं मेजर काय असतं? इक्वल असतं. आपल्याला हे प्रूफ करायचं आहे. प्रूफ, we know the angle D plus angle A is equal to 180 degree. Angle C, sorry. Angle D plus angle C is 180 degree. The reason is pair of linear angle. याला इक्वेशन फर्स्ट म्हणा. देन सिमिलरली angle A plus angle B is equal to, or angle A plus angle B is equal to 180 degree. Pair of equation number 2. From first and second we can see the right hand side of first and right hand side of second is equal. Therefore left hand side also equal. Angle D plus angle C is equal to angle A plus angle B. Sorry, here angle C. Then angle D is equal to angle C plus angle B as it is. This angle C, shift right hand side is minus angle C. Therefore angle D is equal to angle C minus angle C is 0, angle B. And this is the proof of our theorem. Okay, we will stop here.